Ever wonder how some truckers seem to make bank while others barely scrape by? It's not always about driving longer hours. Seriously, what if I told you that understanding the industry itself can change your entire outlook on earnings? First off, let's talk about routes. Yeah, the ones you choose matter way more than you think. Picture this. Two drivers, same company, one takes the busy interstate while the other opts for scenic back roads. One makes more money. But why? It's all about supply and demand. The more popular the route, the more drivers there are. So, look beyond the map. Choose routes that are less traveled. That's just the first trick. And trust me, there's more. Now, talking about freight, have you ever considered what you're hauling? Some freight pays peanuts while others, they pay top dollar. Fragile items often mean higher rates, but that's just the start. If you manage to specialize in a niche, like food delivery or hazardous materials, you can level up your earnings significantly. But here's the kicker. Many drivers don't even realize they're sitting on a potential gold mine. Like, who knew a specialty could skyrocket your paycheck? And hey, what about negotiation? If you're not negotiating, you're losing money. It's shocking how many truckers don't step up to the plate. Think about it. Every load has a price tag, right? So ask for more. Offer to take on tough routes or short timelines. You're the one behind the wheel. Your expertise is worth something. Although many truckers shy away from this. Why? Maybe because it sounds daunting. But trust me, learning that negotiation game can add hundreds, even thousands, to your overall earnings. All right, here's another hidden gem. Ever thought about diversifying your income? Yes, that's right. You don't have to rely solely on driving. Many drivers end up teaching others or writing blogs about their experiences. Imagine sharing your daily adventures while making some extra cash on the side. It sounds simple, but a lot of folks miss out on this. This could totally open up new avenues for income. Who would have thought your daily grind could become a paycheck booster? Now let's switch gears for a second. Do you know the importance of maintaining your rig? A truck in the shop is money down the drain, folks. Regular maintenance keeps you on the road and rakes in those dollars. Plus, it helps build a great reputation. When businesses see reliable drivers who take care of their trucks, guess what? They want you hauling their freight. Funny how something so basic can actually change pay rates. What about utilizing technology? I mean, come on. Your smartphone is like a powerful tool. Apps can help you find the best e-logs, track fuel expenses, and even locate high-paying loads. Seriously, it's 2023. See, tech can save you time and money, which translates directly into profit. Many drivers overlook these tools and lose money because of that. So why not get savvy and boost earnings at the same time? And finally, community is the secret sauce here. Joining trucking forums or local gatherings, massive benefit. You get to network with other drivers. You learn about secret routes, local fueling stations, and maybe even dollar-saving tips. Plus, you get camaraderie. Nobody knows the road like a fellow trucker. Sharing insights, priceless. A lot of drivers underestimate the power of community, and let me tell you, this can catapult your earnings. So, what's your take? Are you ready to maximize your trucking industry earnings, or are you currently stuck in the same old routine? If you found any of this surprising, drop a comment below. What's the biggest game changer you've learned? Let's chat.